So what tools we need, what we have to gather. We need something stadium, we need something hall, or we need a school parking lot to make arrangement. No, it's online conference. We just need a laptop, a good laptop with a connecting of internet, and we can virtually connect with our team members, and other members are invited in your laptop or mobile phone. Participate can be directly connect the Zoom meetings and things are there. So your connection of, you have to back up your internet power and connection of backup of your electricity as well. So the conference will be going smoothly. Because there are more expenses of physical world and their traditional or online conferences are more benefits. The online conferences I attend previously, that is a massively value added, and after conferences I can get also recorded and things and benefit of my discussions and things, also notes, PDF and learnings. So it's a very good experience, online conferences, and massively I enjoyed that time. It is a screen timing, but we are not in a physical world to meeting in person. But why I travel to USA, Canada, Australia and Asia countries and over there, within the same time I connect with the 7 of continent within number of massive countries with that, and that has been very and properly utilized for the things that is important. And every day we are just here to number of things, and every day we have to connecting with the power of your internet and your laptop things. So make your time more comfortably, and your laptop and desktop or PC or mobile phone utilize, and you can be a best of experience in your online conferences. So let's move to the next video. Thank you.